Well, here I am at the bike shop. Like I said, I was going to do some maintenance. Got it all done, like $120. He set me up to new chain. He said it was just in time. I got the old chain too. He said it's not even that worn, but just about. He took a little measuring tool to see how worn it was, how much it stretched, and he said, you're replacing it just in time. He threw my cassette in the ultrasonic cleaner and got it all cleaned up. He gave me some new high-tech chain lube. Just filled my chain lube bottle up. Dumped the chain lube I had out. Got 2 new bottle holders because they were broken. A new bottle. I need those. New tires. Excellent. I've got my puncture-resistant tubes in there. That's why I got a little bit skinnier tires, because the puncture-resistant tubes were a little thinner. I don't think they were going to work with my old tires. He checked the brake pads on this, and he said they were looking good. He said they're not even that worn yet, so he just left them in. And but I bought some new brake pads because I've looked at a lot of YouTube videos on how to change those brake pads, and they're pretty simple. Just all you need is an Allen key. Pop in and pop right back out. And of course he adjusted all the cables, you know, tuned it. That's what it's called. So the brakes are nice and tuned up, and the shifters shift perfect. I'm stoked. These new tires and puncture resistant tubes might really work out, because I'm going to be going through some rough country, and I don't want to be changing a bunch of flats. I'm stoked. I'm going to put all my gear back on here. What I'm going to do here in the next, probably today maybe even, I'm going to go through all my gear. I'm going to pull everything out one at a time. I'll just take my time and pull everything out, and I'm going to find stuff that I can throw away to reduce the weight, where I can load more. I'm going to throw a bunch of stuff out, because I just collect stuff, and it's just getting real heavy, taking up too much space. And I know there's some stuff in there that I could toss. Not a lot, but there is some stuff. I got to try at least, because I'm hesitant to throw anything away, because you never know when you might need it. So today's Friday. I'm going to go over there. I'm going to try to make money all weekend long. And then Monday, I'm going to go over there to the laundromat and take a shower. Do the laundry, clean the clothes I got on. Man, my zipper's been unzipped. But anyway, and then I'm going to spend the night. On Monday night, I'm not even going to come back here. I'm going to go a little bit further down the road from the laundromat, and where I'm going to take a shower. And there's places where I can sleep. I'm going to sleep right by the train station, like a block from it. That way there's no messing around. I'm right by the train station. Get there bright and early, go to the metro station to get into downtown. Because it takes me right into the Union Station, the train station I'm going to. And then just hang around Union Station all day until the Amtrak leaves off to Dallas. I'm just going to be honest with you. I might get to Dallas and buy a box from Amtrak and just drag it it's like 2,000 feet, 2,500 feet to the Greyhound. Sounds kind of iffy, because they say there's a bunch of the reviews say there's a bunch of homeless people hanging out, begging, and aggressive panhandling. They say once you get inside, the security guards, they'll probably kind of be on me. I'll probably get approached several times, like, hey, you got a ticket? And I'll just show them my ticket. What's this big box? That's my bike. You need a box to get your bike on Greyhound. But I will. When I get to Amtrak, I'm just going to buy a box for $15, drag it down to the Greyhound. And if they give me any trouble, or like, nah, that box is too big, or you look like, any problems, I'll just go, okay, I'll just leave the box there and just go ride. And then I'll ride into my sister's house. I want to kind of do that anyway. It might be my last chance to do a long ride. But the temperature, it's going to be 104 degrees when I get off the train. And it's going to be, it'll gradually get cooler if you want to call it that, as I go toward my sister's house. But it's going to be in the 100 degrees at least, 99, 98 the whole way. Maybe I could ride at night. But if I decide, nah, I'm going to take the Greyhound there. Instead of 6 days, it'll take 8 hours. Dig? And the Greyhound station's open 24 hours, so however long I have to wait, I can just sit there at the Greyhound station. I'll make sure I have some snacks that are good for my diet that I'm on. And if I don't be disappointed, because if I don't do this bike ride from Dallas to my sister's house, I'm definitely going to be doing a bike ride from my sister's house into New Mexico, just for like a vacation. I'll be staying at my sister's house when I'm getting out. As soon as I take care of all the business I have to take care of that I need to get on, like applying for an ID in Texas, applying for Social Security and insurance. As soon as I get all that done and order a few things over the internet to get sent to her house that I need to do the little protocol I'm on, contact some doctors to talk about the alternative therapy I'm pursuing and see if they can help me with it. As soon as that's all taken care of, maybe a few weeks, then it's like, sis, I'll see you in a week or two. I'm probably right into Ruidoso. I'm just telling you guys where I'm going, I guess. But I'll probably be riding into Ruidoso and getting a motel room. Probably what I want to do is buy some pot pills and just like sit by the pool or whatever in the park and look at the mountains and relax. I don't know if it's a sin. Is it medicine when you're sick? You know? As long as you're not smoking it, it's a pill, you know? I'm going to be having to take some pills probably in the future. Opiates, okay? That's not going to be that easy because they're hesitant to give it for some reason. You got to be on your last leg before they'll agree to it. You got to be in pain. They know, you know how much pain. If you're waffling like, oh, not that much pain, okay, well then take Tylenol. As soon as you're in there, please, yeah, then they're like, okay, that's what I feel. Anyway, I've yacked enough. People are encouraging me to do a video every day, so I'm going to keep trying. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, but there she is. That's it.